Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. In our previous video, we have studied how to create thread in Solidworks, but we studied that the threads, automatic threads that is created in Solidworks. But how you can create a manual thread, yeah, in a SolidWorks. Like for example, I have shown you. Let me just create a rod first. For example, I'm creating um, yeah, 60 is its length. Okay. Now, for example, I want to create external thread on this shaft or rod, but if I click on go to this thread wizard, okay, and when I move here, inch die, inch step, but I want metric die. Okay, metric die because I want pitch to cut inside. Okay, so because a die will mat over it. Okay, now there are some available uh, threads. Okay, for example, M10. I want to create M10. Okay, because the diameter of this is 10 millimeters. So M10 means that 10 is a nominal diameter and 1.5 is the pitch of the thread. But I want to create M10 thread of pitch 0.75, but here I don't have a pitch of 0.75. I have a M10 1, M10 1.25, M10 1.5. I don't have a pitch of 0.75. So what would I do? I have a little flexibility here, that I can change a pitch a bit, but I can change up to few points, like if it is 1.00, so I can change it only to 0.95 or zero point 0.9, but I cannot change it to 0.75 because the profile will intersect, and the thread profile actually make according to the pitch. So what would I do? I would create a manual thread profile and will sweep over this particular rod. Okay, first what would you do? Go create sketch, or just go to convert entities, this, and convert it. Okay, now go to features, curves, and helix or plane. Okay, I want in the other direction, reverse its direction, and yeah, constant pitch. So I want to pitch its pitch to be 0.75. Its pitch should be 0.75. And okay, oh sorry, yeah, I want height and pitch. Okay, revolutions are also good. Okay, I want, for example, 20 revolutions. Okay, but they're a bit 40 revolution. Okay, now this is my helix. Okay, now what would I do? I want to create a profile, right plane. Okay, now go there and draw your profile. Okay, so what will you do? Go to polygon and select 3 here, because I want to create okay, make sure that the angle will be 60 because it's an isosceles triangle, but make sure that it should be 60 if you construct it manually through line. So make sure that the angle between this should be 60, and the profile should be like this if it is cutting inside, because if it is external threads, if it is internal threads, then this should be at above direction. Okay, now a few things that you need to understand. Okay, here you can see that in thread profile there is a pitch, and some these all parameters will act in a will play their role in creating any kind of thread. Okay, the distance between two crests, or for example, if uh, two similar points is pitch. For example, this downward point of this and this is a pitch. Or if you want this, then this is a pitch. Okay, this is equal to the pitch, and these are all the thread parameters. These are all the thread parameters, and there are type of a thread. There are major dia, minor dia, and pitch dia, minor dia. These are also these. This is a pitch dia, this is a minor dia, and this is a major dia. Okay, I hope you would understand. And there is a tolerance class, or we can say it's a fit. Like if you want a coarse fit, or if you want a fine fit, according to that you can select your thread. If you want a fine fit, so you can select according to this dimension, according to your fine fit. Okay, so these are the dimensions, and according to like for example, if I want M10 threads, M10 and 1 point of 0.75, there is M10 and 0.75. If it's available here now, so yeah, M10.75, and there are I have two options. One is a coarse and one is a fine pitch. So according to this I can select a nominal dia, major and minor dia and pitch dia, all are available here. So you can see that which dia is minor, which is a major, and which is a pitch dia from this particular profile. Okay, now we will use this in that, but I'm not going to calculate, because I just want to give you an understanding of this. Okay, let's first give it dimension of 0.75, because I want my pitch 0.75. remember that I haven't that these lengths are not major and minor dia, because major dia is something, minor dia is something here, and major dia is a bit here. Okay, so what would I do? I want this like there, make sure it's horizontal, and another line here. Okay, so for example, if you, yeah, from there to there it is a pitch, but from like 0.75, but from here to here it will not be 0.75, because this length is a bit smaller than this one. The dia is a bit smaller than this one. Okay, so you can clearly see that yeah, from here to here it will be pitch, from here to here it will be pitch, but not from here to here it will be pitch. But in a minor dia we will just calculate from there. So make sure that this is your minor dia and this is your major dia. So at your major dia there it will be 0.75, but this will be less than 0.75, and you should keep this in mind, that this will be just an extension of this will be just a ratio of 0.75, that it will reduce on some scale. Like you can drag it and it will it will get smaller and smaller, and if you drag it up it will get bigger and bigger. This is just because you have just changed it is just changing according to the scale. Okay, so this is my major dia and this is my minor dia. What will I do? I will go to trim. Okay, I will go to trim and I will delete this one. I will delete this one. I haven't done this according to some dimensions, but like I haven't calculated the minor dia, major dia, and I haven't calculated the minor dia. Okay, so it should be calculated from here. Okay, but what I had done that I have given you a basic understanding, and you can calculate it according to whatever you want to draw. Okay, now just get out of the sketch. Okay, and go to swept cut. Yeah, here it is, swept cut. This is my shape, and my path is this one. Okay, you can see this. And now hit OK, hide it, and there is your required thread. This is how you can just create your thread manually by using a triangle and a sketch profile of a thread profile. Okay, so this is how you can create any thread of any page in a SolidWorks. I hope you would understand it. I hope you would like it. Please like and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.